Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can get smarter through experiential learning. Coming up. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Ernesto, and on this channel we give you health and wealth tips to help you be successful. And today we're going to talk about how you can get smarter through experiential learning. So basically it's through experience. Now one way obviously to become knowledgeable is to read books, but how much of that are you going to actually retain if it's not tied to an experience? So the best thing you could do is, if you need to learn about something, for example, right now I'm learning about fire repair. I'm sitting outside the property that was burned by a fire. And I've had other fires, but I'm honing my skills on doing fire reconstruction. So I'm gonna read as much as I can. I'm gonna watch videos. I'm gonna learn as much as I can, but then I need to back it up with experiences. Tying the knowledge to experiences is gonna help you retain the information for the long run. If you simply read a good book, you're gonna learn some really good things. And a few months from now, if somebody asks you about it, you might not remember much. It's much more effective when you tie it to an experience. So whatever it is that you're doing, take the time to actually practice what it is you're learning about. In this case, I'm researching insurance claims, fire reconstruction, but I'm also in the process. So I'm practicing on a daily basis, talking to the adjusters, talking to the insurance company, talking to the attorneys, trying to figure out as much as I can to be more effective. Now, if you're starting a business, it's the same thing. I know one of my friends was asking me, okay, well, Dr. Ernesto, you have a medical background. How is it that you get into real estate, and why are you able to do that? Where did you learn that? That's a good question. I got some books, I learned as much as I could, and then I just dove in and I started doing it. The more you practice something, the better you're gonna get at it. Of course, you're gonna make some mistakes, but that's normal. Mistakes are great for you. You can learn from them. Now, you wanna try to obviously minimize your mistakes as much as you can, but you're not gonna have the opportunity to do that if you don't actually just dive in and get started. So the best way to learn things is through experience. In business school, they taught us a phrase. It's paralysis by analysis. Is sometimes when you're overly analytical or you're really smart, you're gonna analyze the heck out of something. And you're gonna analyze it so much, you're gonna paralyze. You're gonna say, hey, you know what? I'm scared, or there's too much risk, or you're gonna think of 100 ways of why you shouldn't do something. Sometimes it's better just to not know very much and just dive in. But also, I think it's better to learn some things and probably go in the middle. Don't try to reduce your risk by not doing things. You definitely want to try to experience it so you can get the knowledge that you can gain from the experience. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please comment below.